हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम इन योर टैली क्लास। स्टूडेंट्स, टैली में हम इनवॉइसिंग कर रहे थे, जिसमें अभी परचेज इनवॉइसिंग हम कर चुके हैं। आज हम सेल्स इनवॉइसिंग स्टार्ट करेंगे। कंपनी ओपन कर लेते हैं जिसमें हम कल काम कर रहे थे। सो एबीसी प्राइवेट लिमिटेड। यस, एबीसी प्राइवेट लिमिटेड में फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट्स चेक आवर डे बुक that how many entries we have passed. It's showing me the entry of May month. I'm pressing Alt F2 and deleting its dates. Now check. Yes. Now I have 3 entries of purchases, 2 of April month and 1 of May month. Let's move on to sale invoicing. This you need to go in inventory vouchers and press F8 for sales invoice. Same as purchase invoice, you can change its voucher date by pressing F2. Suppose I am making an invoice in April month. It is of 1st of April and financial year is 2020. It will automatically select reference number. First invoice, तो मैं अभी पहला ही ले रही हूँ और party name, yes. Do we have any debtors in the list? No. Then how to create a new ledger? Press Alt C. Just for identification purpose, I am writing DR, that is debtors, and it comes under sundry debtors. Maintain balance is bill by bill, yes, and party's address. If you will feed, then you can see the complete address in your printed sales invoice. So it's better to feed complete address. The party is local, select country and state, then pin code, press Ctrl A. Ctrl A is a shortcut to save the voucher directly. Otherwise, by pressing continuously enter, you can save the ledger. यहाँ पे डिस्पैच डिटेल, ऑर्डर डिटेल, बायर्स डिटेल। बायर्स डिटेल ये हमारे लिए बता रहा है कि जिसने हमसे गुड्स परचेज की। डिस्पैच डिटेल में यू कैन फीड that your goods are dispatching through by road, by air or destination. Manual, you can feed the details. Dispatch document number, dispatch through, and destination. Order number if have. अब order details हम कब करेंगे? When I will teach you order processing, purchase and sales order. तो वो different part है इससे. I'm just going to skip this. अब ये order detail दिखा क्यों रहा है? क्योंकि हमारे ये company feature में activated है. आप इसको नो कर देंगे. अब company feature किससे आते हैं? F11 से. अब जब आप यहाँ पे देखें dispatch detail और order details जब show करेगा, then you are unable to open your accounting features. Just first of all go to escape. I'm just going to deactivate these order details. Can I deactivate this? Just press company's feature by pressing F11. F11, then F2. F11, F2। ऑर्डर प्रोसेसिंग हमारे पास एक्टिवेट तो नहीं है, so what I can do is just skipping the order details, because order आपका किसी भी टर्म में हो सकता है, जैसे मोड्स ऑफ पेमेंट आपको कैसे करनी है, or other references में you can feed anything, just like putting in remarks, then terms of delivery, and then buyer details you can show buyer's name and its complete address, then state and sales tax number. Say sales ledger, very important point. Press Alt C and create sales ledger under sales account. Inventory values are affected will always remain active in sales ledger, just because आपका जो सेल्स लेजर है ये इन्वेंट्री पे अफेक्ट डालता है। जैसे आपने गुड्स परचेज की, उसमें परचेज लेजर में भी हम इन्वेंट्री को यस रखते हैं। क्यों? जब आपकी गुड्स आएंगी तो इट विल ऑटोमेटिकली ऐड ऑन, और जब आप सेल करेंगे देन इट विल ऑटोमेटिकली डिडक्ट द गुड्स, so these values will be always affected, yes. And further details, mailing, tax registration, these are not required to fill, so save. And name of item, now we are dealing in kind of products like electronic items. Computer, I'm having 40 pieces in which go down, just see, I'm just pressing computer enter and go down. If I press simply enter and pressing backspace, I can see that 30 pieces are in Haryana go down and 10 pieces are in Punjab go down. So I am just going to select Haryana go down and selecting 10 pieces at the rate. So you can feed your manual rates just like 35,000. In the further lectures, I will tell you that you can feed the inbuilt sales rate, that whenever you will select your sales voucher or to create a sales voucher, this will automatically pick your inbuilt rates. For now, I'm just feeding it manually. It comes to 3,50,000. So here's your sales invoice without any tax. बिकॉज जीएसटी हमारा बिल्कुल लास्ट सेगमेंट में आएगा, अभी सिंपल सेल्स इनवॉइस भी याद आनी। 3,50,000 की हमारी सेल हो गई, एंड इन नरेशन यू कैन जस्ट फीड being sold to Meenakshi Enterprises, Meenakshi Enterprises, by bill number. I have already told you the benefit of feeding narration, that it would be really convenient preparing cash book by taking printout of day book of a tally. You don't need to open individual voucher to create a cash book. By bill number ABC01. तो फर्दर सेल्स की जो एंट्री है वो मैं आपको सेकंड वीडियो में बताती हूँ, अभी हमने सिर्फ एक किया है। Let's continue in another video. Stay connected with me.